time to photograph all the cars I would like to photograph. So I'll make a little quick video. We're at Deer Park, Long Island, and a bunch of cars over here. Some of our buddies' cars came down today. Some of these cars you may recognize, some of these guys you may recognize. You might know that guy there. You might know that guy there. Like I said, some of these cars you may recognize, some you may not. As I speak, it's starting to get a little bit on the dark side. So I think by the time I get to the end of this show, it'll be dark. You might know that guy there. This is not a car show. This is more of a get together. Done every Saturday, Deer Park, Long Island. Guys just come out, bring their hot rods, and hang out for a little while. They bring their cars out. This is what we bust our ass to get these cars running, right? To enjoy them. So this gives them a little place to hang out. Like I said, normally I would be taking photos, but we went to eat first, and that took a little while. You may be able to tell it's starting to get a little bit on the dark side.
It really is, you know,
Yeah, that's a 67, that's the one everybody's after. Very nice. 70 Malibu. Chevrolet rather. And it's different cars. It's never the same car. Well, correction. You may see sometimes the same car, but there is a variety. Guys do come by. Different cars periodically. Of course, you always, to spots like this, you always have your regulars. And we're not complaining. Cars are beautiful. Badass Grand Prix. Nice GTO. Nice lane shot. Very nice. Beautiful smile. You gotta love car people, man. You gotta love car people. We are 100% genuine. Some guys doesn't know how to build a car. Some guys doesn't know how to build a car. Get it right. Beautiful. What about doing it right, huh? Beautiful. Love my 68. Love a 68 Camaro and I love a 68 Chevelle. Beautiful. Beautiful. I would not change a thing. That's beautiful. Wow, look at this. Badass car right here. I don't know what year this Caddy is. Rolls down window. Nice. Badass Caddy right there. '70 Camaro. Oh, 71. Plate is a giveaway. Very nice. Grand National. Very nice. Pro Street S10. Nice little graphics on it. Very nice. 96. Very nice. Badass. I don't think there's any ugly convertibles. I think all convertibles are hot. Very nice. I like this car. What year is this, dude? 32. 32 Plymouth. Any 32 should have these damn tires. If you don't have these tires on your 32, you ain't doing something right. Or should I say you're doing something wrong? Once again, like I said, I love these convertibles. 67. Okay, I'm gonna have to say I've never seen one of these. Nah, 57 is just hot. This is one of the examples of a beautiful F57. Car's perfect. There's no bad 57s. They're all badass. I should say there's no ugly 57s. They're badass cars. I like them. I don't know if I would ever own one. But they are iconic. I think that might be the end of it. Let's just skip some. Might skip the row. Trying to get ahead of the damn sunset. About to go. Not bad. You got room in there to put anything you want. 66. Very nice. I like this. Very nice. Nice Camaro. As you can see, this one's been to the track. Nice to see these cars still in action. '66. Very nice. On a small tire. Very nice. 34 3 window. Got a blow on this sucker. I still got a flat hood. That's crazy.
I mean, I never did it that way. You know, obviously, all my engines, you don't do it that way. You do it on the feet, you know, on the feet side. But it made sense why it was getting done that way. So I just
Twin turbo big block.
Right.
71. Very nice. Would have never guessed it, I'll tell you that much from far. I guess maybe that cutout on the hood might be somewhat of a giveaway, but I would have guessed it. The power plant on that car. Very nice. Surprising. Yeah, hope to have my damn big block out here soon. Before this season's over. Or should I say before winter gets here, better said. I shifted. Pro Charger. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. May come back here again next week, maybe a little earlier. Lots, you know, our cars leave. As you can tell, the sun's about to go down and it'll get dark and we won't appreciate the film as much. But that's a little taste of what's in here. You know, when it's Saturday, you want to come cruise down. It's a subdued crowd, as you can tell. You know, knuckleheads. Everybody just enjoying a nice Saturday afternoon. Sitting, talking car stories. Bring your cars down. Later.